Hi, dear friends, this is KRITA, and let's see today how to change the size of some part of PNG file in KRITA. For example, we have such a PNG file, and we want to make the cow to be like smaller than the buffalo. So, before to do anything, I will duplicate my layer and work with the copy, because if I want later to compare my new picture with the previous one, or if I'll do some mistake, I always have possibility to go back to my picture. So let's do it invisible, the first layer, and let's work with our copy. I will select the part I want to change and go to transform tool and change the size of my cow like this, for example. That's it. Thank you.